Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are having a great week. Here we are, first hair video of 2021. I know that you guys have been missing them. Literally, anytime I do a Q&A or anything on Instagram, it's always like, when are your hair videos coming back? Where are your hair videos? Where's your relaxed hair videos? And we're back and better than ever, okay? So the reason that I really wasn't uploading hair content the past few months was because I had the extensions in and I didn't want to upload content with my extensions because like I feel like having like reviews of like conditioners and things like that, I feel like my opinion definitely would have been altered with like having not my hair in my head, if that makes sense. So I kind of just shied away from them, honestly, and my heart just wasn't really in it anymore. I was kind of missing having my own hair, but I loved the extensions so much. But now that I am extension free, we are back to the relaxed hair content, and I couldn't be happier to be here with you guys. The relaxed hair content that I post here on my channel really is what made my channel like subscribers boost, like people knowing who I am. So I really feel like my relaxed hair content is like home for me, honestly, more so than beauty content, more so than like budgeting content, although my budgeting videos have also been doing really well. So I think that it's just really nice to be able to do something that I'm really passionate about and have you guys enjoy it. It's just like a win-win everywhere. So if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. I am 26 years old. I do have relaxed hair, and I don't self-relax. I usually go to a salon, but recently my hairstylist moved to Florida, so I might have to self-relax, which honestly terrifies me. But hopefully I can watch hella videos here on YouTube. I lasted a long time through quarantine. I literally got my hair done, I think, right before all the salons got shut down. And then I did end up getting my hair done when they reopened because my hairstylist was doing it out of her home. So there was just a lot going on. But now that she moved, I'm like in struggle bus city again. So we have to figure that out. We're going to cross that bridge when we get to it. But anyway, moving on. Let's go ahead and get into my new wash day routine. I'm super excited to share it with you guys. If you guys like relaxed hair content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. I post new videos here all the time, and it's a really good time. It's a really party over here on this channel. So I hope that you guys are doing well. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so starting off, this is what I put in my Prepoo. It honestly changes all the time. So starting off, I'm going to put this hair serum stuff that I picked up from Amazon. If my camera will focus, it's perfect. So this is like an Indian hair serum. It's for like anti-hair loss, herbal essence, natural hair growth treatment. You guys can pause and read like the ingredients of like how to use it. And yeah, so I just put a little squirt of this in. I also put some avocado oil. This is just 100% pure avocado oil. And then the star of the show is this VO5 passion fruit. I'm sorry, this is like dangling in front of you guys. Passion fruit smoothie. Moisturizing conditioner. It softens and shines. I picked this up at the dollar store for $1. Don't use an expensive conditioner for your Prepoo because you're literally going to like wash it out. So this is just what I use, and I'm just gonna go ahead and squirt all that into this bowl. Here I just have the mixture, as you guys can see. Ooh, I don't want to spill it. So I'm just gonna give it a quick little mix. And then just start applying it. I also just split my hair in two. And make sure your ends are saturated. Okay, so now all the conditioner is in my head, which is great. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on a shower cap and let this sit until I'm ready to wash my hair, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some stuff around the house, get some things together, and I will show you guys when I start washing my hair. Okay guys, so once my pre-poo is done, I go ahead in and wash my hair. I've recently, since I've gotten my extensions out, been washing my hair in the sink. It has just made life so much more easier for me. I don't have to worry about running out of hot water in the shower and all that nonsense. So once I take off the cap for my pre-poo, I also wanted to mention that with my pre-poo, I do go ahead and sit under a heating cap for about 15 minutes or so. I picked up one from Amazon. I will have it linked here actually so that you guys, a picture of it here, and I'll have it linked down below for you guys. My sister actually got it for me for Christmas, which thank you, sissy. It's one of the ones that you just put in the microwave, so I was able to do a lot of stuff while I was pre-pooing my hair, which I loved. With my heating cap that you have to plug in, obviously I could only sit and wait for it to be done with the 15 minutes. So if you guys don't have one of these heating caps that you can pop in the microwave, I highly suggest it. But moving on to the hair washing. So I take off my shower cap and I go ahead in with the Cara Care moisturizing shampoo. It's really amazing. This is one of my favorite shampoo lines. I have gone back to it time and time again because it's great for relaxed hair, it's great for color treated hair, and it's just such a great lather every single time. So with this first lather, I make sure to get my roots as much as I can. I'm really starting to lift up all the dirt and everything from the week, making sure that I am using the balls of my fingers to massage my scalp and to stimulate hair growth and stimulate my scalp. I usually do use one of those little shampoo brushes with like the pointy ends that like you can massage in your head. I left it upstairs in the shower and did not feel like going to get it while I was washing my hair. So that was fine with me. And then I just made sure that everything was good to go. My first wash always doesn't have a lot of lather, so I usually don't have a lot of suds with this one. But when I go in with my second wash, I always make sure to get a really good lather going. I really massage this wash into my scalp. I don't really focus on my ends because I know that the water will wash out the soap and everything through my ends. So I don't really focus on like massaging those or anything. I'm really just focusing on getting all of the dirt and all of the product off of my scalp so that we can have like nice long hair, scalp growth, okay? No breakage here. So I go ahead and do that, and then once I'm done with those two washes, sometimes I do 3 depending on how dirty I feel my hair is. But this week I didn't feel like it was too dirty because I really like kept my hands out of my hair and I just literally wore a bun all week pretty much. So I go ahead in with the moisturizing conditioner, which is also super good. I actually really love this as a pre-poo, although it is a little bit more expensive. I find that whenever I use this, if I have like any if I'm like really stretching my relaxer and have a lot of new growth, it really makes it really soft if I use this as a pre-poo. But I don't do it all the time because, like I said, don't use a expensive pre-poo as a expensive conditioner as a pre-poo because it just doesn't make sense. So I let that sit in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. The deep conditioner that I'm using is the silicone mix. This is what my hairdresser used to use on me. I love this conditioner because you really only have to let it sit for like 4 to 5 minutes, and it makes your hair so soft. You just want to make sure that you're applying it to really wet hair, or else it doesn't really work that well. So don't towel dry before applying this at all. Just apply it straight after you rinse out your conditioner, and use this immediately after. And I usually comb it through just to make sure that all of my strands get evenly coated. And then I leave this in for about 4 or 5 minutes, once again with the shower cap, really quick, really simple. And then I go ahead and wash this out in the sink. So once I'm done washing my hair in the sink and I rinsed out the deep conditioner, I go ahead and start wrapping my hair, start putting in my Rolos, which is one of my favorite ways to dry my hair. It's pretty much the only way I dry my hair now, honestly. So I go ahead and start to put those in. But first I use this olive oil and mango butter hair growth oil, not oil, moisturizer. And I just make sure to apply that throughout my hair, making sure to get everything nice and coated. And I also go ahead and use this hair straightener shine polish. It just makes my hair super shiny on the roller, and it just is so nice, and it doesn't leave my hair like feeling weighed down or anything like that. I just do it like the normal way, like I just do one straight row down the middle, 2 on the side, and then I do like 4 between those 2 sections in the middle. Really simple. I've been doing this to my hair for years now, and I feel like that's really attributed to my hair growth because I'm not putting like direct like blow dryer heat on my hair, and I feel like it's really helped my hair retain its length and no breakage and a lot less heat damage as well. So once I do that, I go ahead and sit under the dryer for about an hour and a half. I have really thick hair, so it takes my hair a super long time to dry, which is okay with me because I usually just sit and edit a video. This time I was watching Bridgerton, which is like my favorite show ever. If you guys have not watched Bridgerton, I highly suggest it. So once I have sat under the dryer for about an hour and a half, I go ahead and take out the rollers, and then I immediately go ahead and wrap up my hair. I just wrap my hair afterwards because I feel like it makes my hair super flat, and without having to flat iron it. Sometimes I do flat iron it if I feel like I really am going for like the super straight look for the week, but 9 times out of 10 I don't because I don't want to put that direct heat on my hair. It's only like once a month maybe that I'll do that, like only 1 out of the 4 wash days of the month. So I go ahead and just wrap my hair up and put a silk scarf on, and I put my bonnet on top, and that's literally all I do, guys. The wash day has really been simplified and condensed because I used to feel like I was so extra with my wash day, but granted, my hair was flourishing when I was doing all that extraness, but and doing like my co-washes and all that like stuff. I don't think I would have time to co-wash nowadays because I get off of work so late now, and I'm not working out as much as I used to, unfortunately. So that is my wash day routine, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you love relaxed hair videos as much as I do. I am so looking forward to doing more deep conditioner reviews. I have missed them so much here on my channel, and that is like some of my favorite videos to film. I love trying out new hair products for my hair because my hair is constantly changing. I don't know about you guys, but my hair constantly likes new things, wants new things. It cannot have the same regimen for too long. That's why I switch shampoos every so often, just so that my hair doesn't get used to anything, because once my hair gets used to something, it hates it. It doesn't want it anymore. She's very temperamental over here. But like I said, I hope that you guys are doing amazing, and thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.